Have you ever found yourself trapped in a repeating cycle of events, feeling like you're on a never-ending roller coaster ride? Ancient yogis and Buddhist monks revealed a secret that can change the trajectory of our lives: the power of observation. Dive deep with us as we uncover the profound connection between where our attention goes and the reality we experience. By understanding and manipulating this intricate dance of energy, you can unlock the ability to manifest quantum events and shape the very fabric of your destiny. Are you ready to master the art of creating your own reality? Unveiling the magic of attention and reality. Imagine your attention as a mighty river, powerful enough to shape landscapes and decide the fate of entire ecosystems. This river represents the way we experience life. When it flows smoothly, our reality unfolds with grace and clarity. Yet sometimes it might stagnate, like water trapped behind a dam, causing disruptions in the events and circumstances we encounter. Just as rivers guide water, our attention directs life's energy. Embrace this simple truth: wherever attention goes, energy flows. Now, envision two types of attention. First, there's polar attention, a magnetic force with a dual nature. It can attract the moments we desire or push away the ones we dread. Then there's non-polar attention, a serene pond in the middle of a forest. This type of attention doesn't push or pull, it simply exists, neutral and still, dissolving the complexities of reality. Mastering the dance between these attentions can redefine your world. Ready to navigate your river? Diving deep into the dynamics of attention. Consider this: every thought you entertain, be it hopeful or gloomy, acts like a magnet, sculpting your reality. Imagine two poles, positive and negative. The content of your thoughts determines which pole you're gravitating towards. Ever wondered why some days feel like a series of unfortunate events? Society often conditions us to operate from a place of fear, urging us to survive rather than truly live. We're bombarded daily by the news, social media, and societal pressures, sometimes without realizing how these external voices drown out our own. And then there are past scars, hidden yet powerful, that unconsciously make us relive similar pains. But here's the empowering part: acknowledging this dynamic gives you control. By being more mindful of where your attention lingers, you can reshape your experiences. Isn't it time to reclaim the power of your attention and create the life you deserve? Dive deep and be the change you wish to see. The magic lens of perception. Imagine life as a vast ocean and your attention as the lighthouse guiding its waves. How you perceive the world through fear or hope decides which waves reach your shore. Your perception, like a magical lens, draws lifelines to you, making or breaking your reality. Ever felt torn, like your heart wishes for one thing while your mind chases another? That discrepancy can pull in storms of negativity. But here's the silver lining: neutral or non-polar attention. Think of it as the calm, guiding light, undisturbed by the tempests. When you view life from this serene vantage point, the tumultuous waves become gentle ripples. The nature of reality hinges on your perception, making you the artist of your life's canvas. So why not paint with strokes of clarity and purpose? Embrace the magic lens within you and watch as the world unfolds in harmony. The power has always been in your hands, or rather, in your heart and mind. Choose wisely. Choose joyfully. The threefold dance of reality crafting. Imagine crafting your reality as a dance, where each step taken is precise, fluid, and leads gracefully to the next. Ready for the waltz? Here's how. Step 1. The embrace of now. Begin with acceptance. Like the opening notes of a song, acknowledge and embrace the reality playing around you. Doing so doesn't mean resignation, but neutralizes resistance. In this space, you understand that dancing against the current is exhausting. So, feel the rhythm of the present and move with it. Step 2. Seeing through the mystic's eyes. Ever seen a twist in a dance move that catches you off guard? Life's like that. Sometimes events seem to trip us, but with a little shift in perspective, we can see them as blessings in disguise. They're choreographed by a higher order, perhaps the universe itself. Trust the sequence, and soon you'll see the beauty in every twirl. Step 3. Directing the dance. Now, with grace and purpose, redirect your attention. Gaze firmly toward what you desire, pulling it closer with every beat. As you do, find balance, achieve equanimity, that perfect midpoint between passion and peace. With these steps, your dance paints a mesmerizing story, your reality, created by you. Our journey through the tapestry of reality has underscored one essential truth. Attention isn't just a fleeting focus, it's the paintbrush of our life's canvas. The stories we've delved into have shown us that we co-create our reality, using attention as our most potent tool. Accepting our present with its twists and turns isn't a passive act, but a profound step toward clarity. From that serene space of acceptance, we find the power to redirect our energies, consciously choosing the realities we wish to step into. Moreover, by embracing even our worst-case scenarios, we liberate trapped energy, freeing ourselves to soar towards our desired destinies. In this dance of creation, every step, every thought, every pulse of attention paints our world. May we all dance with purpose, passion, and peace, co-creating a masterpiece of life. I hope this insight helps you in your journey. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave your comments down below. Also, be sure to watch the next video for more tips on how to spiritually awaken and manifest the life of your dreams.